Zombie apocalypse.
What's up guys, how you guys doing? Hope you're all doing good. Thank you for tuning into my channel Agent. So guys, today I'm going to play with the Lost Gun, which is the AGR, as you would have got to know by the title. So I'm going to use the AGR 556. So I'm actually using it from a week now, and I personally like it. It's pretty good. So I'll be showing you the loadout of this gun and the gunsmith I use. So guys, this is my loadout for the AGR 556. So the gunsmith for the AGR is this. I use the MIP flash guard, the OWC marksman, RTC steady stock. The rear grip I use triple grip tape, and the OWC laser tactical. So this is my gunsmith for the AGR 556, which is a pretty good gunsmith. It's even good for long range. You can see as the range is 73, but the mobility goes a bit low, but then it still works good. And for the .50 GS, my gunsmith is this. I use the tactical suppressor, the OWC marksman as the barrel. The laser, I use the OWC laser tactical. The underbarrel is the heavy duty trigger, and the ammunition, it's the large extended mag B. So this is a pretty good loadout, the gunsmith. And the rest, I use the termite as the main grenade, and smoke grenade as the secondary grenade. And then I use the annihilator, which works pretty good with the entire loadout. And then these are my perks. You can see I use tactician. So guys, you can see I use the tactician perk. Here I use the cold-blooded, which helps pretty a lot because many people use the score streak, so it protects it. All those stealth chopper, and then the sentry guns and everything. And here I use the death silence, so your movement, the enemies are not able to hear your footsteps. So this is the entire setup or the loadout for the AGR. Now let's hop right into the gameplay. So guys, we have hopped right into the gameplay. So I'm using this gun around from a week or something. So now let's see how it works. So this is my first video. If there's any lag or any mistake, please let me know so I can provide you better gameplay. Actually, there's a bit problem with my Wi-Fi, so it will soon be fixed. Okay, I got in there a bit lag. I'm really sorry about the lag, guys, but mostly by my next video it will be way better. Throw a termite there. Okay, fighting him was got him there. So as you can see, this gun works pretty good. If you want, you can remove the laser tactical, and you can add any ammunition you want. You can get more bullets with that. Okay, so gameplay, it's going a bit bad. No, oh shit. Okay, anyways, I was out of ammo almost. I don't know why they camp. Okay, I can't. Okay, 25. Why is he camping? Okay, no problem. So guys, this gun works pretty nice. So you can use this loadout. I'll give you another loadout. Okay, got him there. Good kill. Oh no, no. So I guess I'm just supposed to attack from this cover. 5 kill streak there, guys. Let's go. Okay, so I'm out of ammo. I have only the last set of 25 bullets. Cover. Nice. So usually holding the smoke grenade, gives you more speed. So that's the only reason I use the smoke grenade. Oh no, he's camping there. Why? No one there. Okay, guys, so now let me show you the second loadout and a gameplay with that loadout too. So guys, this is the second loadout I was talking about. So the only difference, I didn't use the OWC laser, and then I put the 60 round 5.56 mm reload. So this is a very good loadout, guys. This is also good, but then the accuracy goes a bit low, but then the range kind of increases. So guys, now let's hop into the gameplay with this gunsmith. Let's start. So again, okay, so we have landed in hardpoint takeoff. So let's see how this gun works. So guys, what's the next loadout you want me to show, or you want more of my gameplays? You can let me know down in the comment section. And if you're not joined my Discord server, please join. I'll give you the link in the description. Okay, so started though. Not sure. Actually, hardpoint is like the best, best game mode to grind. It's pretty long without no breaks. Got one there. Okay, so looks like all of them are okay. A bit lag. There we go. Got 3. Pretty soon. Someone there. Oh no, okay, that was a good kill by him. So I usually don't use any scope. I love using the iron sights because I don't know why, like it feels better. And then by using the iron sight, you even get an extra attachment to play with, because scope is itself an attachment. So that's how usually everyone does. There we go. Good kill there. Okay, pretty good kill there. Okay, hard point. On a tail. Let's try to get a nuke, guys. There we go. Let's go, guys. Let's get a nuke. No. Oh, that was pretty good. Come on. Let's go. We're on 550. Come on, guys. 4 kills more for the nuke. Okay, 3 more kills. Hopefully we don't die now. Where are they? There. 2 more kills. Let's go, guys. Okay, my game is lagging a bit. Oh no, plus I'm out of ammo. Let's go, guys. Let's go. We have got the nuke finally. Let's see. Oh shit. Okay, no problem. Anyway, I was out of ammo. So let's use the nuke, guys. So as you can see that this loadout is pretty better. I knew there were many bots. Still, the gameplay with this gun is way better than the previous loadout I've given you. So guys, you can go use this gun, because I've seen like nobody uses this now at all, nor in ranks or normal like you're not even in battle royale, people don't pick it up. So you can go use this gun, you can use this loadout. So guys, this is my video using the lost gun, which is no more used now. Hopefully you loved it, guys. You can go use my loadout to play. And that's it for today's videos, guys. Hope you liked it. See you in the next video. Bye bye.